What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is "Police Teach Entitled 18-Year-Old She Doesn't Make the Rules." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On June 1st, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle due to observing two individuals in what appeared to be a heated dispute.
You disrespectful. No, you disrespectful. You think cause you old, you can talk to people however you want. No, you can't. I'ma smack your keep saying to me. She think just cause she old, she can keep talking to people. Do it. You didn't see, look, you see how the way she talk? That's not my grandma. I don't know. I'm ready to go home. You gonna take me and my daughter home or what?
Where do you live?
Right there in the River West.
I can take you to River West.
You can?
If I absolutely can.
Take us.
If that will resolve this, then I will happily take you to River West.
I don't know. She just always says something.
Who do you stay in River West with?
Her ugly ass. I'm finna move and get my own apartment.
Okay. So who is she to you?
Nobody. I don't know who she is.
Well, obviously you live with her, so.
I don't know who she is, like I said.
Okay. If you're not going to be cooperative with me and help me out here, then I'm not going to be cooperative with you.
Okay, don't be cooperative with me. You don't have to stand right here. Nobody asked you to.
Okay.
No. Stop saying stuff to me. Why are you? We all the way in the car. I'm trying to play the music. She's still talking. She mad because I'm telling her because I said, "Ooh, I wish I would say that video." I wish I would say
How old are you?
But I am. I will though.
How old are you?
I'm 18. How old are you?
Significantly older than 18.
I don't care.
Yeah, find out why.
This child.
This is my child. The statement don't make no sense because my grandma is old as hell. That little girl disrespectful, bro. It's just so much. Like I can't even say. First of all, she just thinks just because she's so old that she can keep saying stuff to people however she wants. I don't give a how old she is. You ain't gonna keep disrespecting.
Then by all means, when you get down to River West, pack your shit and get out.
That's what the
Then that's not a problem then.
okay, and it's not a problem.
Then we solve that.
You help me.
Number one,
Number one.
You watch your mouth with me.
That's what I thought.
Okay.
That's what I thought. Don't say nothing about me packing up if you're not gonna help me.
I got no reason to help you.
So don't tell me what to do.
You're the one over here running your mouth. Okay?
I didn't touch her, but she better be lucky I didn't touch her. She always,
Go ahead. You can go to county and your kid can go to DCFS. Which one do you want?
That's why I didn't touch her.
Right. So shut your
That's
eye
why
hole.
I'm shutting up.
Thank you.
Stop saying stuff to me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Didn't touch her. Right. That's why I'm shutting up. Stop saying stuff to me.
I kind of think the cop is instigating a little bit. I mean, I don't know. It's just rubbing me the wrong way. I get it. Don't get me wrong. She's annoying. She's loud. She's obnoxious. Don't get me wrong. Don't get it twisted. But I don't think the cop gotta respond and like he's saying slick shit, and that's only making the matters worse. Like.
Yeah, find out why.
This child.
This is my child. The statement don't make no sense because my grandma is old as hell. That little girl disrespectful, bro. It's just so much. Like I can't even say. First of all, she just thinks just because she's so old that she can keep saying stuff to people however she wants. I don't give a how old she is. You ain't gonna keep disrespecting.
Then by all means, when you get down to River West, pack your shit and get out.
That's what the
Then that's not a problem then.
okay, and it's not a problem.
Then we solve that.
You help me.
Number one,
Number one.
You watch your mouth with me.
That's what I thought.
Okay.
That's what I thought. Don't say nothing about me packing up if you're not gonna help me.
I got no reason to help you.
So don't tell me what to
You're
do.
the one over here running your mouth. Okay?
I didn't touch her, but she better be lucky I didn't touch her. She always,
Go ahead. You can go to county and your kid can go to DCFS. Which one do you want?
That's why I didn't touch her.
Right. So shut your
That's
eye
why
hole.
I'm shutting up.
Thank you.
Stop saying stuff to me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Didn't touch her. Right. That's why I'm shutting up.
Thank you.
Stop saying stuff to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's grandma want?
Her to go somewhere else.
Okay.
Okay.
So, where are you trying to go?
My auntie house.
Where's that at?
It's how do you call her?
Up the hill, down the
It's
south.
right here. It's right by her house.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I'm honestly not trying to generate shit.
Hey, if you don't get along with your grandma, that's one thing, but
It's one thing,
you have
but
your daughter to look after. I mean, you got to worry about that, not
oh,
this.
Mr. Where y'all at? Okay, I'm gonna come over there. What's your address again? Okay, the police will drop me off because grandma stayed
South Webster. It's a good place for it.
And I threw her purse out. And she stopped the car. And
He's 15.
Oh.
He's down at the station.
She talks about everybody like a dog. She even talk about Charlotte. So I don't give a fuck. I know she talking about me. If she talking about Charlotte, she talking about Leah like a dog. And Leah came steady come back over.
What's the address?
What's the address on Webster?
Wasn't she or wasn't
I'm trying to help you. I'm going to give you a ride over there. Or you can yell at me,
Nisha, what's your address?
or you can walk.
I will walk.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me go ahead.
Nice day.
Here I come, Nisha. Okay.
Yeah, she got a huge attitude problem.
It don't get, y'all don't understand
Grab your
her.
stuff. Let's go.
Why are you saying stuff to me?
Because I'm here because you're acting up.
I'm
That's
not
why
acting
I'm here.
Because y'all pissing me off. Look, she telling me to calm down. Bitch, calm down.
Put your stuff in the bag and let's go.
Because I'm tired of you. All you do is talk shit.
Shut up.
All you do is talk shit.
Shut up.
All you do is talk shit. All you do is talk. Don't see you overdoing it. I ain't
Do not
gonna
grab me.
Don't
Do not
touch my phone. I'm not in the mood.
I'm about to
And you're
throw you in
okay, I don't
handcuffs.
care.
Knock it off.
Hey, move.
Grab your
Okay,
bag
let
and
me
let's
grab my
go.
bag.
Walk.
Can I get my daughter?
That's her daughter.
Okay.
Stop telling me in my face. What the
You need to learn your.
It's locked. Here, let me unlock it.
I don't have to learn shit. I'm tired of these people. What the fuck? If y'all ain't no, you overdoing
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
it.
Put your hands. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm tired of this shit.
Okay, I'm
No,
gonna
I didn't
tase
do
you.
nothing to you. I didn't do nothing to you.
Oh, now you ain't do nothing to him, but you slammed the door on him, like, or at him. Like, come on, you opened it. Come on now. Don't act like you ain't do nothing now. You was just talking all big and bad, so take your ass on down to the county. Talk big and bad to them.
Everything all on me, all because.
Now step out here. Bring your hands behind your back.
Oh my God. You always do this shit now.
You're the one that put yourself in this position.
You grab my hand, you slam a door into me. We're not playing this game. You're going to
Oh
jail.
my God.
Can I put it in here? Yeah, I'll walk her across the way.
Huh?
Come on, we're going to my car.
I'm trying to. Can I do it?
No, you're not.
Her attitude should have been checked when she was a
Do you have
kid.
anything on you that's
She
gonna
got
poke me,
anger
stick me, or cut
problems.
me?
Just face the view. Stop it.
She done, I fucking hate her ass, bro.
She didn't cause this.
Yes, she did cause this. Yes, y'all don't know how she
What caused
is.
this was you acting up and throwing a door into me.
You could have just walked out like an adult and said you did this.
Now you get to go to jail.
You good?
Oh, yeah. All right. The wagon's on the way. I don't control how fast they drive. You got stuff to do. You're going to jail, honey.
I still have stuff to do. That's why I'm trying to do my
You ain't doing it today.
I can do. I go out of jail.
Should have thought about that before you said throw a door at me.
It don't matter. Y'all need to learn how to stop saying stuff to people when they're mad. Like, that's your problem. Why do y'all even try to get in people's personal space? You're all in my face.
Because I was telling you to leave because you were acting like a child in a public street.
You stand so close to me. When people are mad, why do you stand in people's personal space?
Wasn't standing in your personal
So
space.
y'all can stand in people's personal space.
Okay.
Like,
I'm done talking with
I
you.
see that y'all was trying to help, but y'all didn't have to get as close.
Unless you have a rational thought, I'm not going to communicate with you.
The people are my stomach is hurting.
Waiting on the wagon.
Who is the wagon?
The transport, the person who takes you to jail.
11, did you copy?
The transport wagon.
How long I'm doing jail, Dave?
Depends on how long they hold you. I don't control that. You're charged with your aggravated battery to police and resisting arrest.
Aggravated the battery? I didn't touch y'all.
You threw a door at me.
I didn't throw a door at you. I opened the door and you was right there.
You opened at me, and it hit me.
Oh my God.
Me too. What are you doing?
Ready to go.
You're acting more mature than your child.
I don't care. Y'all ruining my day. Damn, she didn't have to say shit to me.
Talk about anger management. She need anger management classes, boy.
When is he coming?
I don't know. I called for them. They're on their way.
Step out to get fresh air. It's hot in here.
I'll roll your window down. That better?
18 years old, kid, aggravated battery on way to start your adult life.
Your bubble gum and your whatever this is.
I don't want it.
What's going in your purse, okay? It's your property. Your purse.
Bro, why are you in my purse?
Come on, that's the roll up the blunt. That's the, you know how they do. You know how they. Come on, man. That's the roll up the. Yeah, she's a lost cause, man. She's a lost cause. Absolutely ridiculous. Her attitude should have been checked a long time ago when she was a child. And clearly nobody checked it. Nobody can control her. She's a loose cannon. Even the way she talk about her grandma, it's like, she said, my grandma, she old as fuck. Like, damn, what the, golly. Even if that's true, you don't talk about your grandma like that, man. Come on, man. It don't matter. Like, damn, that's crazy, man. But then you be the first one crying when grandma passed away. You gonna be like this. Come on, man.
Because it's your property.
You don't get to just do whatever you want.
That's where you're incorrect.
My purse. I don't want it. Throw it.
I'm not doing that. That's littering.
That's not mine.
It's on your person, in your coat.
God, when is he coming? Like, why I have to come with you? I'd rather be a fucking police than your ass. What the fuck?
That sucks.
What?
3300 block.
Oh my God. When is I'm leaving? So I can just hurry up and do my time.
Before the transport wagon gets here, they are on their way. You need to be patient.
Like, why does all have to be all in my personal space? Then you blocking my.
We're having a meltdown. We're having a meltdown.
We'll put that on the booking slip to have mental health talk to her at the jail. Mental health, they'll come out in the morning. They always come out on Monday when the ladies come. We'll put it on for mental health talk to her.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on law enforcement and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
I mean, this is a tough one. Because I think the first cop, the older white guy that was like, don't you talk to me like that or something like that. Like, I think he kind of gets a 2 because he kind of egged it on. You know what I mean? Like, initially, you know, But yeah, I think he could have handled that a little bit better without the side comments. Because when someone is aggravated and then you got your little side comments, well, go pack your stuff, da da da, like all that side shit, like nobody ain't trying to hear that. Now the other cop that was trying to give her a ride, I think he did his. I think he did his job. He definitely did his job. I like that. I like that he arrested her too. Like, you feel me? Like, let's go. He gave her a couple of chances or whatever because she grabbed him first, and he let her slide on that. And then when she swung the door, it was like, let's go, man. So I give him like a 3, 4, somewhere in there. You know, I think he did a real good job. But the first cop, I'm like,
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.